I remade and tweaked my most viral recipe that has 92 million views. You only need to buy 5 things to make it, and it takes just 30 minutes. Instead of using tortellini, I used rotini pasta, and I honestly might like it better this way. Brown a pound of ground beef. Once that's cooked, you'll drain the grease. I just do this with a paper towel. Then season it however you want. I didn't include seasonings in the ingredients you need to get because most people have these on hand. But I seasoned with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. You'll then add in a jar of marinara sauce and 1 block of cream cheese. Cook this on low heat until the cream cheese is fully melted. And while this is finishing cooking, you'll go ahead and boil your pasta. And I'm curious if you guys have tried the original recipe. Let me know in the comments. Once your pasta is done, drain it and add it to your skillet. Mix this well, and then you'll top it with some shredded mozzarella cheese. The more cheese, the better in my opinion. And then you'll just broil this for a couple minutes until the cheese is nice and bubbly. This dinner is honestly so easy and so good. No wonder it goes viral every time I make it.